Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants at home. First, combine 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 7 grams of active dry yeast, 60 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 250 milliliters of cold milk and 50 grams of softened butter. Knead the mixture until a smooth dough forms, about 10 minutes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the dough to firm up. Now let's tackle lamination, the key to flaky layers. Roll 250 grams of cold butter into a 6 by 6 inch square. Roll your chilled dough into a 12 by 8 inch rectangle. Place the butter in the center of the dough, folding the dough over to completely enclose it. Roll the dough to a 1/4 inch thickness, then perform a single fold. Repeat this process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold. After lamination, it's time to shape your croissants. Roll the dough into a large rectangle, about 1/8 inch thick. Cut the dough into triangles with a 6 inch base and 8 inch height. Starting from the base, gently roll each triangle towards the tip, creating the classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet, cover loosely, and proof in a warm spot for 2 to 3 hours until visibly puffy. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the proofed croissants with an egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Let them cool slightly before enjoying your perfectly flaky, homemade croissants. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.